Oh, good morning. Okay. I didn't even saw connect. Good morning, you all. How are you all doing today? Sorry for the late start. Um, Busy morning. It's been good morning. Good morning. Good morning. All right. How is the market looking today? Have you all been watching it? I know we're just now opening up, watching change in the market as we speak. But good morning. Good morning. All right. Good morning. Got some equipment running in the background. I'm not sure if you all can hear it. This mic is supposed to be able to pick up um, the sound just from me. Hopefully, not too much from the background, but let me know. So I might have to pause the equipment running if it's that too bad. But while waiting to see what happens with the market, I'm going to show you some things I work on. One right up here is the fair value gap. That's where you see these green lines here popping up, and these red lines shows gaps in value. I trade on the fair value gap, and I also use the MACD. This is the MACD that I use as a reference. I got just the settings here. Um, Settings that you see right now aren't the settings that I always work with. So let me change these settings. 3, 9, and 5. Then I change this blue here. Not leave the blue there. I change the red to an orange, and um, that's my setting there. And then the last setting I need to add is my ATR. This is usually set up, but for some reason I opened up my charts, it was gone. Alright, so that's what I work with. My ATR. This is the 1 minute candle. And then my MACD. Those are some of the main things I work off of for when I'm trading. So right now, just watching, seeing what might come up. Usually, like I said, the first couple minutes of the morning, I don't do anything. I just watch the market. I'm not taking any trades right now. Just gonna watch and see where it goes, what happens. Wait for things to slow down and speed up. Try to check the market direction. Guys, this has been a nice little drop in the market lately. You think it's going to crash or do you think it's going to correct itself? Like, let's look at the longer charts here. Let's go to the 30 minute. Look at that dip we've had. And actually, no, better yet, let me go to the 1 hour. Look at that dip, guys. It's just a drop. It runs up and drops, runs up and drops. This is the kind of continuation we're going to continue to have. It's going to keep doing this. What are y'all's thoughts? Let's go back here to the 1 minute. Yeah, so far nothing I see I like at all. And this right here, this dip is matching up on my 1 minute and my 5 minute, which is interesting because I'm getting a match on both charts. Look at that drop. You gotta be very careful with drops like that. They can easily catch you on the way down. So you gotta be very careful. They can do those little drops and then have a really quick reversal. They catch you off guard. Next year you lost a lot of money. So we got a fair value gap forming right here in this range, and it's still trying to continue down. Looks like that's what it wants to do today. Looks like this might be a day of shorts. Looks like it's trying to reverse in the 1 minute. What I look for on this 1 minute here, this right here, where it shows the blue line getting ready to cross back over the orange. That's what we're looking for. This fair value gap shows it's going down, but on the 5 minute, MACD, they show it a short. So now we're getting a nice cross across the MACD. I'd like to see some confirmation on that in my 5 minute. I don't really want to take it unless I see confirmation on the 5 minute. Still watching you all. How's y'all's weekend? Did you do anything interesting? All right. It looks like this was going to be a short. I think I'm ready to jump into a trade now. Um, Looks like this is going to be a day of shorts. I do not like to take trades for the last 15 seconds of a candle. I like to avoid trades during that time frame. It's more or less a preference. Okay, look at that return back up. I'm still on watch that. See, for the last 5 minute candle, right around the 731 range, right around here, is where it stopped up at. So this could be a little spike back up, or it could run. Hmm. Glad I hesitated. That would have sucked. Look at that run back up. Goodness gracious. Hmm. Did not see that coming. That was a huge spike. Don't like that at all. Hmm. This is why I don't like trading those first 15 minutes. I saw that move and I was like, okay, let me get a hold of this short. Glad I hesitated. But I did the clock and I was like, not yet, Ryan. Not yet. Something about this first 15 minutes of the market open. The volatility is really bad. Try to come back down. So this channel is called Stoic Mindset. I'm really heavy into Stoicism. I think what I'm going to do is start reading some quotes on a daily. Some might be the same, some might be new. But there's one that I always like from Seneca. It's called Difficulties Strengthen the Mind as Labor Does the Body. That's from Seneca. Great words. Another one, to bear trials with a calm mind robs misfortune of its strength and burden. Powerful. That was a huge spike, guys. I mean, that was a large range on that spike. Very large range. And now we got this crossover back down. But the 5 minutes now showing long with the blue candle, with the blue line above the orange. It's the opposite of the 1 minute. I like it when they match up on both sides. I trust that trade better. What is this market doing? Right when it looks like it wants to be a short, it goes long. Right when it wants to go long, it goes short. I also like to trade off of resistance and support. Ooh, excuse me. Excuse me. Still haven't taken any trades, you all. Still watching, no trades as of yet. I would like to see it break this level right here, though. Since last night, it's been really traveling downwards. I like to trade with the trend. I like to reinvent the wheel. Um, I like to reinvent the wheel at all. So I'm watching this level here to see what's going to happen. Because it's gotten up here before and reversed. So this will show me a short. Based on that. So yeah, I'm leaning towards a short. Can easily reverse. I'm definitely leaning towards a short. Let me take a quick one on a short. Mm. So I lost on that one. That was a nice little hefty loss on that short. My MACD and my 5 minute both said long. So I'm going to call that a bad trade. I like to track my trades and tell myself bad trade, good trade. Just because I took the trade doesn't mean it's a good trade. And everything told me a long. So my review of that trade was that was not a good one. So now I got to break a structure. And this is definitely signifying a nice little long right here. Didn't get my entry that I wanted to. This I like. I waited a couple more seconds. This is why you follow your rules, guys. Because I definitely broke my rules. So now we're getting up to this level here. So I'm going to slow down. I missed my gap that I wanted in this one. So now I'm getting up here. So I'm going to watch for a little while longer and see what happens before I take another trade. That was a good one. I got a couple bucks back. A little more than half of what I lost in the trade prior. So that was a really good trade right there. So I'm very happy with that one. Looking for another good entry. I like to keep my trades nice and quick. I'm very conservative. I am not stingy at all with my trades. I'm all about taking quick little bites, getting in and out on my trades. Another quick order request there. You see, this is my order request. Try and get on that dip. I missed that one. So let me look for another entry. This looks good for a nice little run up. You gotta be very careful. This can at any time reverse. But I got my MACD and my MACD and my 1 minute MACD and 5 minute MACD giving me the same signal for a long. looks like I missed it again. So there's another spot up here, based on the 1 minute, that I gotta be careful of, right in this range. As you can see, where it's gotten up in this range in reverse. So now I gotta be careful again. So I gotta be careful up in that range. It went up, tapped this area, came back down, went back up, tapped, came back down. Now I can possibly do it again. I got this. It's like on my 1 minute here, guys. It's looking like it's trying to convert back down. I look at this right here. It's like this is a zero line on my MACD. This shows an extension above the zero line. When I see this, often it'll reverse. But always gotta be very careful. Another quick couple $100 on that trade. So now I'm pretty much back to break even on that account. Thank you. Pretty much back to even on that account after those couple trades. So when I see stuff like this, I like to get a little aggressive on my trades. So this here will be hard to explain what I am doing here. But I am going to get a little more aggressive on my trading. Alright. So I am way up on that account now, guys. So I'm being a little more aggressive with that trading. I saw some opportunities that I liked. I jumped in. I took those opportunities. And that played out very well for me this morning. Alright, I'm not sure if y'all are seeing that, guys, but I've been picking up quite a few good trades. In the last couple minutes, I just did 1,300 on that account in the last couple minutes trading. Being a little on the aggressive side with the trades, though, of how I'm taking them, being much more aggressive and intentional. Alright. Well, I am done for the day, guys. That was a great morning of trading. I am done. I hope y'all caught those. Great trades, great morning, great setups. You all have a good day. I'm calling it a day on that note. If you got any questions, check in tomorrow.